Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit with multiple clips in Capcut. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is click on new project right here to create a new project in Capcut. And after that, we can select the clips that we're going to edit. And since we want to edit multiple clips, so we have to select more than one clip. So I'm going to choose this one. We just need to tap on the clip on the circle to choose the clip. Okay, and I'm going to select this one and also this one. Right after we are done selecting the clip, we can click on add button right here to import those clips to our project. Okay guys, and these are the clips that we have just imported to our project in Capcut. And if you want to edit each of the clip, we just need to click on the clip like this. Then we can edit with this feature on Capcut. So we can speed up the clip, we can put animation, and we can also crop the clip and increase the volume or decrease the volume, and you can explore it by yourself. And don't forget to click on the clip if you want to edit the clip. And for example, I'm going to cut this clip. So just tap on the clip like this and drag the clip to cut the clip. Okay, like this. And for the second clip, I'm going to speed up this clip. So just tap on the speed button, then you can choose either normal or curve, and I'm just going to choose normal, and I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark button after we are done. Okay, and for the third clip, I'm going to cut this clip as well. So just drag the clip to cut it. Oh, okay guys, and that's how we can edit with multiple clips in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.